Imagine if you were getting between 3 and 5 new customers or clients every single week who are eager to speak to you. Imagine if you were fully booked and you did it all from your keyboard. You could stop burning money on expensive and risky advertising and instead only speak to quality people who have a genuine need for your product, service or treatment. No Starbucks, no petrol expenses, no commuting. And anyone can learn how to do it if they're willing to devote half an hour a day. Here's a true story. We have a client who ran a business with 2 other staff members. The average sale was £2,000. If he got a sale, he was delighted with that £2,000. He's been using our approach for 3 months now. He now employs 3 staff members and his last 2 sales were for £22,000 and £45,000. Not bad for spending half an hour a day on his laptop. Now you know yourself that the world has gone online in a huge way ever since COVID-19 hit. Businesses that weren't online before needed to pivot, hate that word, quickly, okay? Those that were already online had to up their game. Everyone was stuck at home, buying from Amazon, networking online, and learning online. If you're in a business that relied on face-to-face appointments with customers, or if, like me, you ran workshops and seminars or training courses, then you were screwed overnight. Most business networkers went virtual and they learned how to look up people's nostrils on Zoom. But even so, most of them weren't working it correctly and pretty much inevitably sales plummeted. Meanwhile, the professionals who knew about LinkedIn started spending more time on it, and they did so much better. If you honestly think LinkedIn doesn't work, or maybe you've never even used LinkedIn before, I'd invite you to think again. There are 600 million business owners on there right now, and it's growing. And you can message any one of them for free. So before you ask, how do I use LinkedIn? My advice is to stop and take a step back. Number 1, decide how much you want to earn in the next 12 months. Based on your average sale, then work out how many sales do you need to hit your target. And based on your current conversion rate, whether you close 1 out of every 10 or 1 out of every 3, how many appointments do you need to book? Okay, so once you know your numbers, there's this amazing social media website called LinkedIn, where business owners and decision makers show up every single day and want to connect with people. You can network, you can chat, and you can uncover potential prospects all day long. But you need to know what you're doing. So before you start pitching people and connecting with every Tom, Dick and Harriet and anyone that wants to connect with you, because that must work, yeah? No. You need to decide what you want out of it. So first of all, get 100% clarity on your business goals so you go into the online networking arena fully informed. This is step 1 in our linked leads process. And you need to set your sniper scope on your target first. Okay, that's step 2. Just who exactly are you trying to reach? So what are your next steps? Start by working out your numbers, your target income for the next 12 months, how many sales you need to hit that target based on your average sale, and how many appointments you actually need. Then you might want to get in touch, and I can help you with a personalised game plan to help you use LinkedIn so you can earn what you need to earn. All you need to do is email me at admin@instantedge.co.uk or look me up on LinkedIn.